If you have Vivo T4x 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. There you will see the option of device unlocking. Click on this and then select fingerprint. Firstly, you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done that, then you can skip this part. Otherwise, select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Click on OK. Now it will ask you how you want to show your notification on the lock screen. Here I'm selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment and then click on agree. Now place your thumb or finger on your sensor like this and then keep on tapping until it completely captures your finger. Keep lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. After this, click on done. Now you can simply unlock your smartphone with the help of your thumb or finger like this.